Hello, friends. Today's topic is very interesting. It is related with the sociology of media, and it is an approach relating with the semiotics. The semiotics is one of the most popular subjects today, especially in relation to the media. Because of this subject provides a very clear idea of what to look at when analyzing the meaning of media messages, and it also explains the word of the why the media have differential effect on human mind, and it also enables the observer to analyze the structure of the media messages, and that also not ignoring the interpretive process or interpretive language of the audience. In normal sense or in very casual definition, semiotic that is it is study of the sign. But the next question would come: what do you mean by sign then? The kind of the sign that are likely to spring immediately to mind that are those which we routinely refer to as a sign in everyday life, such as road signs, religious signs, and the public utility signs. Usually, the term media means the book that includes books, newspaper, magazine, television, cinema, etc., etc. And but in academic sense, when talking about the impact of the media, when talking about the language of the media, we usually refer more widely to those things which are channels for communicating something, and to that extent a large part of our experience of the world actually involves the interaction with the media. If you come to the point of development of the semiotics in academic discipline, is none other than it is the Ferdinand de Saussure, who actually considered as a key figure in the development of the semiotics. And it is partially related with the developmental studies, as well as is also very much related with the language study. But here we will not go in detail about the how the thing has developed from linguistic to media, linguist study to the media science. More or less, it is during the 1960s that is a particular time when semiotic become a major cultural approach, become a major theoretical tool to cultural studies. Partly because of the Ronald Barthes writing in 1967. And he declared that the semiology aims to take in any system of science, whatever their substance and limits, images, gesture, musical sound, objects, and complex association of all those which form the content of ritual, convention, or public entertainment. These constitute, if not languages, at least system of significations.